how to change your password on Ring app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your password on the Ring app. So make sure to watch until the end to ensure you don't miss any important steps. And without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, start by opening the Ring app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen, and from there simply tap on the option labeled account settings, and in the account settings section simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled password. Now the app will take you to the account management page, so from there you can simply scroll down until you see the option labeled password, and once you have located that, simply tap on the update button next to it. Now, to confirm your identity, you will need to enter your existing password. So enter the password and simply tap on continue. And after verifying your current password, you will be redirected to the page where you can enter your new password. So choose a strong secure password, and once you're done with that, simply confirm your changes. And that's it. You have successfully updated your password on the Ring app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.